In this video, we're going to talk about must-haves you need to buy for your DJI FPV combo. I always say, guys, if it's possible for you, expose in manual. You definitely need some ND filters. I'm not going to talk about it. I have 4 ND filters, ND4, ND816, and ND32. I've made 2 videos about them, so go check them out if you want to. So you definitely need that if you need to expose in manual. Very quickly, what I had to do was to get some extra batteries, because with this drone, DJI claims that with this quad you'll be able to fly 20 minutes. The truth is that it's not true. If I push the throttle like fully, my battery will last like for around 5 minutes. Okay, so let's picture this. You get ready to go wherever you want to go and fly your drone. Like you charge your batteries, you prepare everything, and you need to travel to that place, and you fly 5 minutes. It's a lot of sacrifices. Is it really worth it? You've paid a big amount of money and you can only fly 5 minutes. So what I did was I purchased like 5 extra batteries here, 2 batteries and 3 batteries here, just to multiply my flight time. So I can expect to fly around 30 minutes each time I go out. It costed me a lot of money, but I enjoy the experience, because I would not be tempted to go out if I was only going to fly like 5 minutes. I know that minimum 30 minutes in the FPV world, 30 minutes is a lot. So definitely, I'm not telling you buy 5 extra batteries as I did, but it's not worth it to only have 1 battery. I got myself some extra propellers as well. I have like 16 of them, just in case I break one. If you don't have extra props, you go out there, you fly, you misbehave, like the drone misbehave, you break one of them, then you cannot fly anymore. So I definitely recommend you buy some extra props. The next accessory, 2 sets of arm bracers. I'll make the long story short. I've tried lately to remove them and just check out how the drone would behave without them. Now, I cannot fly without them because the drone becomes so stable and I feel better when they are there. The drone is more protected. I'm not saying that with them on you cannot break it, but I think it will minimize the shock wave. And on top of that, those bracers, I've put 2 sets of bracers. Those bracers are not that heavy, doesn't change. I mean, it improved my flying experience, so I definitely recommend them. And honestly, I don't understand why DJI have not put them in the combo, because if I was to remove them, I would not fly this drone anymore. You don't have to have 2 sets of bracers, but at least like the official ones, please do so. A backpack, as you need to travel from your house to the place you are going to fly your drone, so you definitely need a backpack. And something people like barely talk about when you fly FPV drones, let me show you. A camping chair, because when you go out there, I mean, it's just up to you. I've tried to stand when I pilot my drone, and I think it adds some stress to your stress. This is a must-have. To me, this is the most important accessory you could buy, like a foldable chair or camping chair. I don't know how you call that. Definitely go to like the closest store, go get one. There's one thing we've not talked about: GoPro mount. Why? Because I'm not that satisfied with this quad quality. I mean, it's decent, but I want what's best. So got myself some like this plastic GoPro mount on Amazon. And tell me if you want to see like a GoPro review for the next video. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know if you want to know more about it. Just let me know in the comment section and I'll prepare that for you. I don't think I've forgotten anything. That's it for today. Cheers.